Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the word 怎么 to ask questions about how to do something. You will also learn different ways people travel from one place to another.
早，
早，
你平常怎么来学校？
我家很近，我走路。
王小青，你呢？
我家很远，我爸爸开车送我。你呢？
我坐公车。吴燕，你怎么来学校？
我骑自行车。
平常 versus 常常。平常 is normally, while 常常 is often. We're talking about an action that is repeated frequently. For example, 你平常早饭吃什么？ What do you normally eat for breakfast? 放学以后你常常做什么？ What do you often do after school? 我平常走路去学校。 I normally walk to school. 星期六我常常看电视。 I often watch TV on Saturdays. Using 怎么 to describe how. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 怎么 plus verb plus object. For example, 你平常怎么来学校？ How do you normally come to school? 你怎么回家？ How do you get back home? 你怎么去公园？ How do you go to the park? More examples. 芒果怎么吃？ How do you eat mango? 你怎么学中文？ How do you study Chinese? Using 远 and 近 to describe distance. 远 far, 近 close. For example, 我家很近 My house is very close. 爸爸的公司很远 Dad's company is very far. 他家不远 His house is not far. 我们学校很近 Our school is very close. And next, you will learn how to describe different ways to travel. 走路 to walk. 我家很近，我走路。My house is very close. I walk. 坐 to sit or to take. For example, 坐公车 to take the bus. 坐飞机 to take the airplane. 坐地铁 to take the subway. 我家很远，我坐公车。My house is very far. I take the bus. 他家很远，他坐地铁。His house is very far. He takes the subway. 我坐飞机去中国。I take the airplane to China. 骑 to ride. 骑自行车 to ride a bicycle. 骑摩托车 to ride a motorcycle. 骑马 to ride a horse. Please note here, to use this verb 骑, you have to use objects like bicycle, motorcycle, or horse that you have to mount. 我骑自行车去学校 I ride a bike to school. 他骑摩托车去上班 He rides a motorcycle to work. 他骑马去爷爷家 He rides a horse to grandpa's house. 开 to drive or to fly to steer. For example, 开车 to drive a car. 开飞机 to fly an airplane. 开船 to steer a boat. 爸爸开车去上班 Dad drives to work. 我以后想开飞机 I want to fly an airplane in the future. 哥哥不会开船Older brother doesn't know how to steer a boat. Using song to express the idea of give someone a ride or accompany someone to a place. For example, 我家很远，我爸爸开车送我去学校。Literally, my house is far. My dad drives car, send me to school. My house is very far, so my dad drives me to school. 我妈妈送我去学校。My mom takes me to school. 太晚了， 我送你回家吧。It's too late. Can I take you home? Now it's time to review. 早 morning, which is used for greetings. 平常 normally. 怎么 how. 你平常怎么来学校？ How do you normally come to school? 近 close. 我家很近 My house is very close. 走路 to walk. 我走路 I walk. 远 far. 我家很远 My house is very far. 开车 to drive a car. 送 to give someone a ride or to accompany someone to a place. 我家很远，我爸爸开车送我。My house is very far, so my dad drives me. 坐 to sit or to ride. 公车 bus. 坐公车 to ride on a bus. 骑 to ride or to mount a horse, a motorcycle or a bike. 自行车 bicycle. 骑自行车 to ride a bicycle. Now it's time for a culture tip. 高速铁路 literally high-speed rail, which is often shortened to 高铁, has become an important way of transportation for many Chinese people. China's high-speed train network covers over 30,000 kilometers, connecting most provinces and cities in mainland China. The high-speed trains can reach speeds of 350 kilometers per hour, making travel faster and more convenient than ever before. A trip from Beijing to Shanghai usually takes about 2 hours by airplane, and it only takes about 4.5 hours by high-speed train. This fast and easy transportation method has become a very popular way for people to travel. 你怎么去北京？我坐高铁。How do you go to Beijing? I take the high-speed train. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!